guys, I hope everybody are doing well. So today in this video we will be solving the fifth question of our exercise, which is 3.1 of matrix chapter. Let's read the question. Construct a 3 into 4 matrix whose elements are given by. So basically we have to construct a 3 into 4 matrix and find all the elements with the help of Aij. So first let's construct a 3 into 4 matrix. A is equals to
A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34.
So here we have 3 rows and 4 columns because they have asked us to construct a 3 into 4 matrix, which is nothing but 3 rows and 4 columns. As you can see, there are 3 rows and 4 columns. Now we have to find each element of this with the help of Aij. We just simply have to replace this number in place of I and j and find all the elements. So let's do it for A11. We have to replace this with I and j. I will be 1 and j will be 1. Let's do it. Writing the question again. So here in place of I there will be 1 minus in place of j again 1. 2 ones are 2 minus 1, which is 1. So A11 is 1. Then finding the second element, that is A12. A12. We are replacing it with I and j. Writing down the question. 2 in place of I there will be 1 and in place of j there will be 2. So 2 ones are 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So A12 is 0. Then A13. A13 is equals to 2i minus j. So here I will be 1 and j will be 3. We are replacing it. Then 2 ones are 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1. So A13 is minus 1. Finding the fourth element, A14. So writing down the question, minus j, 2i minus j, replacing it. In place of I there is 1 and in place of j there is 4. So this will be 2 minus 4 is equals to minus 2. A14 is equals to minus 2. Then we will find A21. A21 is equals to, writing down the question, 2i minus j is equals to 2. In place of I there will be 2 and in place of j there will be 1. That is 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. So A21 is 3. Then A22. Writing down the question, 2i minus j. So 2 in place of I there will be 2 minus in place of j there will be 2. So it will be 2 2s are 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2. So A22 is 2. Then A23. 2i minus j. 2 in place of I there is 2 and in place of j there is 3. 2 2s are 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So A23 is 1. Then A24. A24 is, writing down the question, 2i minus j, replacing the I and j values, that will be 2. In place of I 2 minus in place of j there is 4. 2 2s are 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So A24 is 0. A31, writing down the question, 2i minus j. So here in place of I there will be 3 and in place of j there will be 1. So writing down 2, place of I 3 and in place of j 1. 2 3s are 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So A31 is 5. Then A32. 2i minus j. In place of I there will be 3 and in place of j there will be 2. So 2 3s are 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. A32 is 4. Then finding A33. A33, writing down the question, 2i minus j. In place of I there is 3 and in place of j there is 3. So this will be 2 3s are 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So A33 is 3. Then finally writing the A34. 2i minus j. In place of I there is 3. Minus in place of j there is 4. So 3 2s are 6 minus 4. So the answer here is 2. A34 is 2. Finally writing down all the values in the matrix. Replacing all the values. So we got, in place of A11 we got 1. In place of A12 we got 0. Then minus 1. Then minus 2. It is 3, 2, 1 and 0. Then finally writing down these values of third row. It is 5, 4, 3 and 2. We got the A matrix. I hope you guys are clear with this question, and if there is any doubt you can comment down below. I will be there to help you guys, and I hope you liked it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video.